Welcome back, friends. I have another business news story that you need to know about. This is an update on the legal battle between Apple Computer and Epic Games, and it is a big one. Now, I have made a full video, it's almost 30 minutes long, breaking down all the details of this case because this case is the most important legal battle going on right now in the business world. So I'm going to put a link up at the top of this video and at the end of this video to my full-length video breaking down this case. But this is just an update, what is going on in the news, so that you're up to date. So you can see here, judge dismisses Apple's theft claims in Epic Games lawsuit. And it says you actually have to have facts, judge tells lawyers arguing for punitive damages. Now, this is, of course, Apple's battle over Fortnite. And just to give you some background, Epic Games sued Apple, claiming anti-competitive behavior and that Apple is monopoly. Apple removed Fortnite from all iPhone devices, and Apple countersued Epic Games, claiming theft and asking for punitive damages. So the news story starts out. It says U.S. District Judge Yvonne Gonzalez-Rogers this week threw out two Apple counterclaims stemming from the company's antitrust breach of contract court battle with Epic Games over the fate of Fortnite on iOS. Now, the counterclaim here is very interesting because both Apple and Epic Games have approached this from very different directions. So Epic Games in their lawsuit against Apple isn't asking for monetary damages. They're just asking for Apple to stop their behavior. They want them to stop anti-competitive behavior. Apple, on the other hand, is asking for a lot of money. Apple has said they are stealing over at Epic Games. I want all of their money, and on top of that, I want punitive damages. I want the court to penalize them, give them this penalty for millions of dollars on top of the damages, just to prove a point that they're a bad actor. Well, the judge here threw out the counterclaim. So Apple's claims for punitive damages, the judge said, I don't think so. Now this judge, I don't know a whole lot about this judge, but I gotta say, this judge seems to know what she's talking about. All right, so here's the judge, District Judge Yvonne Gonzalez-Rogers. And I am interested to see how this court case plays out because I think that she is a rock star. I mean, we're going to have to see how this goes, but it seems like she is really good at cutting to the real legal issues of this case. So the news story goes on. So down here it says, as a matter of law, Judge Rogers threw out both of the counterclaims on a Tuesday hearing, telling Apple attorney Anna Casey that the company is on the losing side of this. And then the judge says this is a high-stakes breach of contract case and an antitrust case, and that's all in my view, Rogers said. And despite Apple's loss here, those two core elements of the case will continue to be argued as the case moves forward to a trial with arguments scheduled for May. So the case isn't over. The case is going to continue, but this part of the case dealing with punitive damages has been thrown out. So we'll have to see as the case moves forward what happens. And again, the reason why this legal battle is so important is the outcome of this case is going to determine how big tech companies like Apple is going to deal with software companies going forward. And it looks like from what the judge is saying that this court case is going to focus on two critical legal issues going forward. She said, forget all the rest of this stuff. We're going to focus on the two main issues here, which are, did Epic Games breach the terms of service in their contract? And is Apple participating in anti-competitive behavior? Those are the two critical legal questions they'll be looking at in this case and providing evidence and making a legal determination. I hope you found this business news story helpful. As always, if you have additional accounting questions, you can always contact me through email on my website, wolvesandfinance.com, and I will reply with my rates. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Zach from Wolves and Finance. Let's go out and make some money.